Namaskar, good morning. We are lucky that we are born as human beings. We have so many duties in this world as a human being. We are born to love and care to our family, our kith and kins, and to care all natural resources we use from this earth. It's our prime duty that in whatever the form we have descended, the natural resources, we must utilize them judiciously, not exploiting for our personal benefit, and transfer these natural resources to the coming generation in more better state than the depleted state. In the world, the chaos is now being created by selfish people. They are exploiting the natural resources for the earning of more and more money. They are not only digging their deep furrows in which they will fall and die, but also creating a problem for next coming generation. Being a wise human being, we must replenish more and more natural resources. If we want to breathe more air rich of oxygen, we must more plants, green plants in and around us. Not to cut forest, not to cut the greeneries growing in forests for construction of the big project and the houses. The lands is sinking because of the urbanization and industrialization. Our duty is to prevent the shrinkage of the land for such urbanization and industrialization. We use judiciously. It is good to live in multi-story buildings as it requires less land rather than having our own villas, our big houses and bungalows, which is gradually converting the agricultural land into the residential land and increasing urbanization. The villages which were pure in all respect have been engulfed by the cities, and these cities have slowly and gradually increased the pollution in air, in water, and in noise also. So care for yourself, care for your generation, care for the earth, and care for the Almighty who have given us all these natural resources. Thank you. Namaskar.